Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a calendar to sell Amazon KDP. It's very simple thing to do. What you have to do first, go to canva.com. You can also do it from your Canva app. So after go to Canva, log in with your credentials, then you will see this homepage. From here you can search monthly calendar. Um, Monthly calendar. Now you will see various type of calendar design from here. Uh, you can choose anyone, you suitable one. For example, I'm selecting N1, this one. Now if you want to edit it, then select customize this template, and after selecting it, you can edit it what you want to edit, um, and you can use any kind of tools from here if you want to add anything or edit anything. And that's how you can make a calendar to sell. If you want to download or share with anyone, you can download it also from here, and then you can sell it to Amazon KDP. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.